Hey guys, my name is Arian and today I'm going to be talking about my LG multi-zone mini split system, and I'm just going to go through the process of what is required for a multi-zone system, because frankly when I was trying to buy the whole package I did not know what was needed and the entire parts and components that were required to get a multi-zone system going on. So today we're at my house and it's a very messy job site, so excuse me for that. And again, I want to just repeat one more thing. I'm not an HVAC professional, so I have no idea, if the things I'm saying are correct, but hopefully I got the system down together correctly, and I can let you know what to buy and help you decide, which systems you need or not. So for LG system, I bought the 7000 BTU systems, and this is the number for it, the LMN079HVT. The HVT is for heat inverter pump. So these both cool and heat the room. And so I have 7 units in this house. This house is a total of 3,000 square foot. And so what I determined was I require 7 units so I have a total of 5 bedrooms and 2 in the hallways. And so let's just get down to it. So this is what the box looks like. It comes packaged like this, pretty small. It's about 40 inches. And so this is what happens when this is how it's wrapped. You have all this plastic on top, and you have a mounting plate which is already mounted on the wall for this one, and I can show you that later. And then this is how it gets mounted on the wall. So once it gets mounted on the wall, you have this clamp right here which holds the refrigerant, gas, and drain tubing, which connects on either side of the unit. So you can either position it. You have these little tabs over here which you can position either this side or this side, so you can decide whichever is best for you. So what's happening with my system is that I'm running the lines through the line sets through the attic, and I'm going to be routing all that there. So in order for this to happen, this required pumps, because it's either gravity fed with these drain lines, or you need pumps. So for the pumps, I decided to go with the Silent Mini Orange by a company called Aspen pumps. I read the reviews for these. They're American company out of Houston, Texas, I believe, and they design their pumps in America and manufacturing them in China, I guess. But they do really design very high quality pumps, and this is how it looks like. So and then you got the reservoir over here, which so this mounts behind the unit up there, and it kind of conceals itself in there. And then I route these lines through the attic, and I put this pump in the attic. So, and then here are the connection cables, which again are returned back to the actual unit itself, and it gets wired back over here. So just to go through the line set, sorry I'm jumping from item to item, but I just wanted to explain something real quick. So this is the refrigerant line, and this is the vapor line. So you got a 3/8 vapor line, and you got a 1/4 inch refrigerant line. So what is happening with this already came with a pre-flared connection, which you can just cut off over here and sweat in to the your 1/4 inch copper tubing. And here you have these flare nuts, and this is just a plastic tube, so there's no dirt or debris that goes inside. But this comes out, you pop this on top of the copper tube, the 3/8 copper tube, and then you use a flaring tool like this. I got this through Amazon for 30 bucks, I guess, and hopefully it's gonna do its job. And one of the things that it has is that for my type of system, which I have 7 zones, I need 2 branch boxes. So these are the branch boxes, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty compact unit, I guess. And what happens is that from the main condenser outside, you have a 3/4 vapor line, and you have a 1/2-inch gas line, which connect into these. So, and then that splits it into 4. So I got 4. You can get a maximum of 4 ports on the branch boxes. So, and then you get the connections which connect to the lines over there, the 1/4 inch and the 3/8. So, but one of the things is that you also need a line distribution kit. I'll show you that. So it's gonna flex through one hand. So this is what you require. So this, what happens, it splits the lines that are coming from the main condenser outside. So you have the one line that connects the 3/4 line, vapor line, that connects and splits it for the 2 branch boxes that I'm gonna need. So I have 7 units. I have to have a 4-port branch box and a 3-port branch box, which is inside this box. I haven't opened yet, but this splits it between these 2. So these connect to these ports, okay, and this one connects to this one. So it splits lines on that, and then I have 2 branch boxes, and then I can connect a total of 7 units inside my attic. So the purpose of these branch boxes are so I don't have to do runs from the attic to the main condenser. Instead, I have one run that goes from the main condenser to the attic, and then from the attic, it just splits through these branch boxes that connect over there. So that's, I believe, the entirety of the whole package. So you have a condenser, which is outside. You have these inverters that are installed on the inside of the house. You have drain tubing, which requires those pumps, and these are the line set connections. You need a flaring tool, and let me just quickly show you the plates that these units are mounted on. So as you can see right now, I got one of the other units, which is open right there. So kind of, you have the clamp, it opens and then you can run the lines. And then the lines go through the attic over there, and I have line set covers that installed there. But these are the plates, and these kind of just snap in there quickly, and then you actually get a very clean type of result. You don't see a gap or anything, and it mounts very nicely, and hopefully it's gonna cover this entire house, and each room is gonna have the ability to be controlled by itself. And if someone's hot in one room, they can bring the temperature up. If someone's cold, they can turn on the heat. So we're not gonna have any problems like that. But just to let you know that I bought all this equipment from a website called ecomfort.com. I'm gonna post the link in the description. But I'll tell you something, these guys are fantastic. Okay, I'm not paid anything by them, but I just want to let you know, these guys are fantastic. They have the lowest prices available on the web. They have very quick customer service. As soon as you call, someone picks up the phone, you have a professional you're talking to, any part, anything you require, delivery dates, they have you all covered for that. But all this was purchased from ecomfort.com, and in my opinion, they're the best, and they're the lowest priced on the web. So guys, again, that's my LG multi-zone split system, the ductless mini split systems, and I just wanted to give you a run through of everything. But hopefully, best of luck with your project. If you're watching this video, now you know what to buy and what you require for a multi-zone LG split system. And have a good one. Thank you.